Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'm going to discuss how we can override a parent contract function from a child contract. So let's understand the topic with an example. For that I will make a file with name override.sol for Solidity, and let's first comment out the license and start with Pragma Solidity, and then version will be 0.8.0, and let's make a contract with name color. Okay, so basically this will be our parent contract and it will contain a function. Okay, let's function name is get color. Okay, get color will be the function and it's not going to take any parameter. It will be of type public, and let's say I want to return some string type parameter, and for string I need to use the memory keyword as you already know. So let's simply return a color and let's say it will be blue. Okay, so blue is the color. So you can see that this is a very simple function, just returning a blue. Okay, just okay, that is the thing. And the thing is, you need to keep in mind that okay, so basically I want to override this get color function from a child contract. Okay, so the thing is that if you want to give access to override a particular function from child class, then you need to specify the virtual keyword with that function. Okay, so I want to override this function from child class, that's why I'm giving access to override this function using the keyword virtual. Okay, so now let's quickly make another contract. The name will be, let's say, child color. Okay, so that is a parent contract, and if you want to make inherit, if you want to inherit this color contract, then you simply need to use is keyword and then color. And if you are not familiar with that, then you can refer my inheritance video. I explain everything that you need to understand. Okay, that is the thing. Now you can say this child color is a child contract of color contract. Okay, now our intention is to override this get color function. Okay, that's why let's copy the function ditto. Okay, or let's write the function again. So function, the name was get color. Okay, and it will not gonna take parameter, it will be public type, and it's gonna return string type parameter, and for string you need to use the memory keyword. So the thing you need to keep in mind when you want to override a particular parent function. Okay, so basically this is a get color parent function. Okay, and I want to override from child class, so that's why if I want to override, then I also need to specify another keyword, that is override. Okay, override. Okay, so this is the keyword. Okay, if you want to override a particular function, then you need to use the override keyword. Okay, the main two things you need to keep in mind, that virtual and override keyword. Okay, so that is the thing, and let's simply override the color, override the color from blue to black. Okay, so that is the thing, and it's very simple, and you can see I'm getting a warning because I'm not because this function gonna work independently. That's why I just need to use the pure keyword. Okay, so don't be confused about that, because if you don't use the pure keyword, then basically you gonna get a warning like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing. Okay, it's my bad. This is pure. Okay, so it's very simple, as you can see. Okay, let's I want to make it very interesting, and for that I want to take an string type state variable. Okay, and let's say the name will be parent color. Okay, and I'm not gonna initialize anything, rather I'll make it I'll make it public. And you can ask me why public, because you know that it's already gonna make a default getter function for this variables if we use public keyword. Okay, let's make another variable with string type also, but the name will be the name will be my color, because it will be the color that you override. Okay, for this contact, for this child color contact. Okay, now you can you can use this particular function, okay, to initialize or to know what was the parent color. Okay, before you override it. So let's initialize this parent color. Okay, so let's initialize this parent color with this parent color. So how to use this, you already know how to use this. We have two process, basically two method. So we can directly use the super keyword then dot, or we can use directly the contact name itself. So here I'm using super keyword, and then the method name was get color, so that is the get color. Okay, so it will initialize with the parent color. Now let's initialize my color with the one that I want to override with. So I just want to override with black color, that's why let's make it black, and simply let's return my color. Okay, so you can see that is very simple right now, and let's make end with semicolon, and you can see I'm getting lots of error. Why I'm getting error? Because I'm using in between this function, I'm using this state variable, so this function right now can't be a pure function. Okay, so you can also see that I'm getting too much error with pure keyword. Okay, so I just need to remove the pure keyword right now, because now the function not gonna work independently, it's gonna use this two state variable, that's why. Okay, so you can see I'm not getting any error. Let's deploy this, and yeah, the thing is that if I only deploy the child color, it will be okay for us because it inherits the color, so it will automatically handle the same. So let's deploy, and this is the success log, and this is the result. And if you are getting, we are getting just three function, okay, three buttons. If I click on get color, the function from child contract to override the color, then click on that, you can success log. If I click on parent color, you can see it's initialized with blue color because parent color was blue. Okay, but if I now click on my color, then you will be able to see that I'm getting black color because I already override the parent color blue with black, that's why I'm getting black. Okay, so that is a very simple process, okay, we have in Solidity language, and this is very helpful in the terms of when you will be using the inheritance property. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing, and I think that's all for today's video. I think you enjoy it, so please do hit the like button, and bye bye, see you very soon.